Welcome back to Durango Electro-Culture. Today, Jungle Garden. Alright, you remember this, June 13th, beautiful garden. June 20th, when we tied up everything. And this morning, June 26th, Jungle Garden. The peppers weren't getting enough sun. You know what that means. Means we're just gonna take all this stuff out of the way that's blocking the sun. Plants, animals, minerals, you know the act. And look at that. So much more space for the pepper plants. They're loving it. And now we're going to do a garden runaround. And of course, the garden has gone completely jungle. And squash that we tied up a week ago are, pushing 6 feet tall. At least the tall one is. And then over here, going through the Three Sisters, coming over here, made some rooms for the cubes. They're starting to climb up. Good for them. Gave them a lot more sun this week. And of course, peppers looking way better since I gave them more sun. Oregano, comfrey, zucchini, monster, marshmallow here. And then our other prize-winning zucchini, where the leaves are the size of my boot. And then in the front here, these newcomers. And there you have it. Now that your garden is in jungle mode, it's great. Everything's going to happen, so keep up with it. All right. Happy gardening. We'll see you next time.